What happened, cousin? What happened to your rod, dude? Come on, seriously, cuz, what happened? Did you fall? How'd you break it? You caught a big fish. I saw you.
Got a big fish and the rod broke off.
So the rod broke off on that stick I saw on the bank, or you fell. What was the one? Come on, be honest.
It was right by the stick.
Bulls and beavers don't lie. Be honest, cuz. You.
God damn it, that's a nice rod.
Oh my God. You and Steve, he broke his rod and you broke yours. You know, that's one thing I just gotta teach you rookies. Bulls and beavers don't break rods on freaking tripping on a tree branch. All right, cousin. We'll take you off that. We'll post this just